Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. Today we are going to talk about how to set swipe lock in vivo phone. Guys, you want to on your swipe lock setting in vivo phone, so you can on in this video I will show you how to on it. So let's see how to on swipe lock pattern or setting in vivo phone. Open your phone setting to set swipe lock. Guys, click on security setting. Guys, click here. Guys, click on screen lock, enter your pattern, and guys you can see swipe. So I touch here and guys click, let's remove, then guys screen lock swipe. So guys now let's see. So when you will swipe you can open your phone. So I think friends we have understood how to set swipe lock in vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.